Now I want to put this name dynamically from a form instead of putting it like a string. So I want that the user puts a name and we get that name and print here. So what I do, I simply go here and I create a form, and in form I'm going to create an input, and this input going to be type of text, and I'm going to give it a name of user. Okay, it should be a user. All right, then we are going to create a button, and this is going to be save. All right, now in form we defined method and action. So here I'm going to say method, and I want to pass the method to get method. Just for now, action is we will be doing that, but no, for now method is enough for us. So if I refresh here, we get input and we have save button. Or now what we can do here is that I want to show whatever name user puts here in our string instead of as the string. So what we do here is we have a PHP method of getting if I see here $_get, and then I put inside user. So we are passing user here, and I am just saying here $get user. It is going to put here. Now when I save this and I refresh here, now firstly it will say undefined index, user is not defined because we don't have username entered currently, and we are not checking in our code. And I will show you how we can check that if no username is there or not in coming videos. But just for now, notice that this is something because we haven't provided the name. So what I do here, I say here Roger, and then I click save. You can see we get Roger can play cricket. So what happened is this $get user got the name here from the top, and it displayed it straight away. Now if I remove again from here, we again get the error because we don't have, because this $get looks for the user, but the user doesn't have any value set to it. So if I put here back, we get it back. So this is one of the example how you get the name and how you can put it, or it can be anything. Maybe you want any number or any user input for some kind of amount or something. So you get the details like this. So see you in the next video to explore more PHP. Thank you. And